everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my DIY rocket model to give you guys an idea about rockets. Let's explore! This is my DIY rocket model. It's launching. Oh! It's the other side. It shows you the structure inside of the basic rocket. In this rocket, I made two parts. 2 in satellite and 3 in propulsion. You know, after a certain period of time and distance travel, it is hard for a jet to move further with less fuel and oxidizer. So they release some parts stage by stage, and at last satellite will only be there in the space. This is a satellite and this is how a satellite looks like. In that we have two systems, namely payload and guidance. What you see now is payload that deals with communication and needs. And this is guidance that controls the satellite. Then, what else is inside a rocket? It's all under propulsion system. These are 2 propellants and here's the nozzle. It's hidden here and this is a place where propellants mix up together and ignite. See, this is how it happens. And those 2 propellants are namely fuel and oxidizer. After using, setting it back is as easy as taking it apart. Begin with putting the propellers in first, then the satellite like this. Finally, end up by covering it with the top. Now it's ready to launch again. And guys, hope it's a useful video, so kindly like, share, comment about this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for getting instant notification. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.